Hello, my name is Norma with Mommy's Personalized Gifts and DIYs. In this channel, you will be learning how to make and create personalized items for all occasions. You can give them away or you can use them to start your own little business. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Norma Acosta with Mommy's DIYs plus Business Opportunities. In this video, we continue with the Cricut for beginners, and it's a very short video that I want to show you how to curve a word. So I'm going to use my name again. Here we go. Okay. And I always like to put my name, the words right where they align. It makes it easier for me. So there's my word, and then you're going to go up to where this right here, where it says curve. Okay, you're going to have this highlighted, and at the same time, you're going to go up here to curve. You're going to click on it, and it's going to, if you go to the right, it's going to curve inside to the inside. See what it does? And then on top of it, it shows how much is curving. Okay. So there it is. If you wanted to go to the other direction, you just click and go up. And you can go as much as you want. You want to make it into a circle, you can do that. You just want to make it just a little bit to maybe put an image right here. Like I did a, let me see if I have it here. I did it for a group of ladies who play tennis. And I did a, let me see if I can find it. I usually keep all of my images in case they ask for something else to do. But right now I wasn't, oh, right here. I wasn't prepared to do that, but I just wanted to show you like more or less. See, so here's the image. We're going to bring it closer to this image was white glitter. That's what they chose. So we're going to make it bigger. This was a t-shirt where we put like a pocket size image. So we did, I did 4 inches. Okay, so right there. And then so here it is. I put the name of the group like right in there. And then at this point you can turn it around, you can fix it. Like right here it looks like a little bit out. What I will do probably is bring it this way a little bit, and maybe even bring it closer to the image. And then you just make this white right there, and there it is. Okay, if you want to go ahead, I guess this is going to be a video 2-in-1. If you want to have these together, like right now they're separate from each other. Okay, there you have the image, and there you have the word. Okay, if you want to put them together, all you do, again, with the left hand side, you just go on one corner, drag it, grab it together, there you go, and then you're going to do weld. Okay, so let me show you. There it is. And when you go up here, you can see it right there. Here's the whole thing. So when you go to cut, there you have it. It's all together. It's better than when you print it separate, because if you're doing like, let's say, a dozen of them, it's sometimes you put it right on the spot and sometimes they don't look the same. Then all of them don't look the same. So this way, all of them are going to look the same. Okay, you guys, that's all for me. I hope you like what I showed you. This is just little steps of Cricut for beginners. This is just one more step on how to use your Cricut. It's Cricut for beginners. If you like the content of my videos, please give them thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And The Lord bless you today and every day, and stay safe. See you next time.